For sale at Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, the 2024 Subaru Crosstrek Onyx is a well-maintained used vehicle that will make you feel like you're hugging the road. With its all-wheel drive capabilities and factory warranty, this car is ready to take on any adventure. But what sets it apart from the rest is our 12-month Huggable Guarantee, giving you peace of mind and assurance in your purchase. The Crosstrek Onyx also comes equipped with a sunroof, heated seats, rear camera park assist, blind spot monitoring, and stylish alloy wheels. Experience luxury and comfort in one package at Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, where we're more than just a dealership, we're Canada's huggable car dealer. Visit us today or give us a call to find out more about our full financing options with zero down and trade-in opportunities. Don't miss out on this huggable deal.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug of friendship, cause that's our whole appeal. We are Canada's huggable car dealer. Help you find your car for a deal. We're Canada's huggable car dealer. Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals. We'll give you a hug